My name is Jesper Petersen, I'm CTO for nzmsa. So we are new into the Microsoft partner ecosystem, and through our partner manager we got introduced to the MSA program and decided that actually that would be something really exciting for us to take part of. So the reason why is really around, I believe as a tech company we have an obligation to educate our future generations about what is it like to work in a tech company, what are the benefits, and what does it really mean to go to work in a tech company. I remember back in my student days being at university, it was really hard to figure out, well, what do people actually do at work? Well, why do they spend 8 hours a day? Well, what does that mean? So I wanted to try to bring that experience to life for them and give them an insight to what is it like for the next 30 years of your life. So initially, we had set up a security project for the MSA students. Through the project, we very quickly realized that actually there was a more far pressing problem for us, which was in our data team. We're building a new extraction tool, a new ETL tool that we are utilizing, and we realized that the guys were far better suited for that, so we moved them across to that, and instead they built our new ETL framework, which is fantastic. It's a really good piece of work. It's really easy to get into. I mean, we know Microsoft reasonably well, but we got into the program really well. I thought that the event where you present all the different teams, you have the speed dating event, actually it's a pretty difficult task to match up many teams with many employers, and doing that really well I thought was a great outcome. And I think there's plenty of support through the program if you want it. It's back to, I think we have an obligation to participate in the tech community here, create the future jobs, educate the future generation. So that's one part of the benefit. There's an added benefit in that we get our brand out there, we get the guys to talk about nzmsa as a good place to work. They now have hands-on experience with it. And how do we get that message out to a broader group of people? It's difficult to get good talent, so anything we can do to get future talent is worthwhile doing.